Hello students, we are discussing exercise 8.2 problems. Exercise 8.2 problems. In those exercise 8.2, 1, 2, 3 problems completed. Now fourth question I am going to discuss here. CM and RN are respectively the medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. This is one triangle. Another triangle. As per the given diagram only we have to take. When diagrams are given, that only you take. Order also don't change them. P, Q, R. CM and RN are the respectively the medians of triangle ABC and PQR. Prove that. What they given here? CM and RN are medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Prove that triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. Triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. This is first one. The second one is CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ. And the third one is triangle CMB is similar to triangle RNQ. RNQ. See here, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar triangles. I have a old textbook. In new textbook there is a correction is there. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar triangles. These two are similar triangles. If you draw a median, CM and RN are the median. What is median? A line segment drawn from vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side of a triangle is called as a median. Median is the line segment which drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Means AM and CMB are equal and PN and NQ are equal. Medians no they are. This is median no. Median will divide opposite side into. Median will divide. CM will divide AB into two equal parts as well as RN divides PQ into two equal parts. Okay. This is as per the old textbook. CM and RN are the medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQ are they given. Actually, triangle ABC and triangle PQ are also similar. Two triangles ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay. Okay. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. CM and RN are the medians of the triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Prove that AMC is similar to PNR and CM by RN is equal to PQ by AB by PQ. Whereas another one is a CMB is similar to triangle RNQ. This third one you prove yourself. See here, since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. AC by PR is equal to BC by QR. AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to BC by QR. Because they are similar. Their corresponding sides are proportional and their corresponding angles are equal. Okay. And also, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. Because they are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. CM and RN are medians of the triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Then you have to prove these three conditions. Since triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to BC by QR. And also angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. This is similarity condition I used. I did not do anything. Now, consider AB by PQ and AC by PR you take. AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. And also angle A is equal to angle P. This is given it is. That means since CM is the median, means median will divide the side into opposite side into half, no, equal, no. So half of the AB by half of the PQ also same ratio only, AC by PR. Half of the AB is nothing but I am dividing both the numerator as well as the denominator with half. Half of the AB is nothing but AM. Half of the PQ is nothing but a PN. PN or NQ you can take because I required this first one is a PN or no, so PN I am taking. And also angle A is equal to angle P. See here, AC by PR is equal to AM by PN as well as angle A is equal to angle P. So, two corresponding sides are proportional and between included angle is equal to by SAS similarity. Triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. Triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. Since they are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So that AM by PN is equal to CM by RN is equal to AC by PR. AC by PR. Okay. AM by PN is equal to CM by RN is equal to AC by PR. First condition proved. And second ratios also equal I proved. Okay. Now, See here, to prove that second condition, I'll take AM by PN is equal to CM by RN. Again it is multiplying 2 times of AM by 2 times of PN is equal to CM by RN. 2 times of AM is nothing but a AB because AM and MB are equal. 2 times of PN is nothing but a PN and NQ are equal, that is nothing but a PQ is equal to CM by RN. CM by RN. Okay. See here, third condition you prove yourself by taking this side ratios. See here, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. CM and RN are the medians. Median is nothing but a line drawn from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side of a triangle is called as a median. That means CM is a median, means M is the midpoint of AB, AM and MB are equal, and RN is the median, means N is the midpoint of PQ, so PN and NQ are equal. Now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to BC by QR. And also angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. So AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR you take. Now half of the AB is equal by half of the PQ is equal to AC by PR because I am dividing that numerator and denominator. Same equally only, it will balance here. That is a half of the AB is nothing but a AM and half of the PQ is nothing but a PN is equal to AC by PR, and also angle A is equal to angle P. By SAS similarity, two sides ratios equal and their included angle is equal. So by SAS similarity, triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. Now since they are similar, AM by PN is equal to MC by NR is equal to AC by PR. Now AM by PN is equal to CM by RN, means AM I am multiplying the numerator and denominator with 2 times. 2 times when you multiply, 2AM is equal to 2PN. 2AM is nothing but a AB, 2PN is nothing but a PQ is equal to CM by RN. Second condition also proved. Third one you try yourself. Third one also same you will take. This side ratios will take. These two you take and divide them, you will get the answer. Is it clear? Okay. AB by PQ and BC by QR you take. AB by PQ and BC by QR, again divide that, same answer you will get. Okay. Try it, the third question. In case any doubts are there, please text me. Okay. Next question. Fifth one is already in BPT also I proved this question. Diagonal AC and BD of trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point PO using the criteria of similarity for two triangles, so that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. A, B, C, D. AB is parallel to DC. ABCD is a trapezium. AB parallel to DC. What they given here? Given is a ABCD is a trapezium. in which AB is parallel to DC, AC diagonal and BD diagonal are intersecting at O. At O. Then what I have to prove here? Required to prove is OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Same problem I proved in BPT also. BPT only easier than this. Here if you draw one imaginary line parallel to AB, then you will get that direct answer. Simple way you will get. Okay. In examination, if they ask only use criteria, then only you opt this one, or else go with the BPT process only. Okay. Generally, they don't ask which process you have to solve the problem, given problem. Okay. Just they'll ask in a triangle, in ABCD trapezium, AB is parallel to DC, prove that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD, they may ask. Okay. Understood? You can solve this problem in any method. There is no restriction for that. Now I am using the criteria of similarities. In triangle AOB, and triangle COD. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, since AB is parallel to DC and AC is the transversal, so this angle and this angle are corresponding angle, alternate interior angles are equal. So angle BAO is equal to angle DCO. Alternate angles are equal. Alternate interior angles. In the same way, you can take these two vertically opposite angles. Again, another way I am taking here. These two also equal. Same alternate angles only. Angle ABO is equal to angle CDO. These two also alternate interior angles are equal. For these two angles, alternate interior angles only equal, because AC is the transversal. Okay, AB is parallel to DC, AC is a transversal. Okay, I'll take both at a time. AC and BD are transversals. Angle BAO is equal to, if these two are parallel and this is transversal, BAO is equal to one by one. I'll do. AC is transversal. So angle BAO is equal to angle DCO. Alternate interior angle. In the same way, similarly AB is parallel to DC and BD is the transversal. If you take transversal, angle ABO is equal to angle CDO. Angle CDO. Angle ABO is equal to angle CDO. Same alternate angles of property only. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Now this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle by angle similarity. By AA similarity. Triangle ABO is similar to A's corresponding is C. CDO. Triangle ABO is similar to triangle CDO. Since they are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. Means AB by CD is equal to BO by DO is equal to AO by CO. AB by CD is equal to BO by DO, AO by CO. Only these two only I require to prove now. So consider this one. BO by DO is equal to AO by CO by cross multiplying OB into OC is equal to OA into OD. Now OD send this side, OC send this side. OB by OD is equal to OA by OC. Hence proved. Okay. See here. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC. Already the same question in BPT also we proved. Your wish, you can opt any method in examination. They don't ask particular method. In case if they ask, then go with that mentioned method only. AB parallel to DC. AC and BD are intersecting at O. Then we have to prove that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. We have to prove it. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, AB parallel to DC, AC is a transversal if you take. These two alternate angles are equal. Again AB parallel to DC, BD is the transversal if you take. These two are alternate interior angles are equal. So by AA similarity, this triangle and this triangle are similar. Since they are similar, AB by CD is equal to BO by DO, AO by CO also. So only take this one because AB by CD I don't require there. BO by DO is equal to AO by CO. By cross multiplying, BO into CO is equal to OA into DO. Now OD send this side, OC send this side. OB by OD is equal to OA by OC. Hence proved. Okay. Still any more doubts? Okay. Please write down, and next video few more questions we'll discuss. Thank you. Okay. Any more doubts you can ask me. You can text me. Okay. In next video few more applications of this similarities we'll learn. Thank you.